So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Straight Talk service in your mobile phone, and in minutes how to do this. Let's get started. So these are the things you'll need to activate Straight Talk service: a Straight Talk SIM card or phone, the SIM card number or IMEI for BYOP, a Wi-Fi connection, and a debit card if you're activating a plan. What you need to do is open your browser and then type this URL straighttalk.com/activation, and once you go over here just click on this activate button and then click on bring your own phone and then click on activate. Here just click on I want to keep my number and then enter your device's IMEI and then click on activate with eSIM. Make sure you check this box and then click on this. Once you do this, in few hours you'll see that your eSIM has been activated, and yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.